everyone, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today's video is going to be another thrift shop video. I actually managed to finally find a few things that were worth buying and worth showing, and well, here we go. I guess the first thing on the agenda was that I did have a bunch of these little bowls that got chipped, and I don't know how they got chipped, but they got chipped. So I've been looking around for replacements for them, and I did find what I thought was a replacement, and I paid $3 for this item. And when I brought it home, well, the thing is, it is also by a different firm. Mine are Johnson's Brothers, and this one is Woodsware. So even though they look identical, turns out the Woodsware is a larger size. And I'm still going to keep it, I'm still going to use it, but I'll have to remember now always to make sure that what I do pick up is Johnson's Brother if I want a perfect match with the ones that I do have. So that's number one on my agenda. Second item, I did find the other day, and that is a much better quality salad spinner than the one I do have. And this one, all you have to do is, well, unlock it first, and then just press this lever down, and she spins. And it is stainless steel and needs to be cleaned, but other than that, it's in working order and in great shape. And I paid $4.49 for this, so I can put my inexpensive one aside, give this one a good wash, and when I have all that spinach next year and Swiss chard and lettuce and all those leafy greens, I'll have a good salad spinner to wash a lot of the water out of it. So, okay. Third item on the agenda is something else that I've started to keep an eye out for, and I was actually very pleasantly surprised to find it. I don't really expect to, but I keep my eye out for cast iron, and most of what I see is stuff that I don't want and way too expensive. But I happen to come across a beautiful little Wagner ware, Sydney O. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a good picture of it later, maybe. Yeah, I think that you can see it there. So it's a Wagner ware, Sydney O, number 6. And in great shape. And I am going to strip this, but I'm not going to do that now. So what I'm doing at this point is finding what I can find, washing them, coating them in a little bit of oil so that they don't rust, or a little bit of Crisco so that they don't rust, and then just putting them aside. And then at some point when it's warmer out there, I may do a lye bath to clean them all, to strip them down to nothing and re-season. So, so I'm not using these right now, but I am starting to collect some of the older stuff. We do have a fair amount of the Current Lodge product that Mark likes to use when he's cooking, and we'll see what he thinks of these once we've got them clean and usable. Anyway, I'm thrilled to find it. I thought it was a great piece. I think I paid $6 for this. So, and it is the smaller ones. The smaller ones, people tend to think that they're not worth as much, but it's not a tiny one. It is a number 6, which I believe is 6.5 inches. Let's see. Yeah, it might actually be a little bit more. The base could be 6.5 or 6 inches there. So, I've never measured it, but it's in great shape, and I'm keeping my eye out for more and more of these pieces and to see what I can accumulate. I'll definitely never have a huge stash, but it would be nice to have a few nice old pieces. Okay, and probably the final thing on my list is something that's especially wonderful for me to have found, because I do videos, and that would be a really high quality Manfrotto tripod. And I don't walk around with a camera because I find the camera shaky. It's me, I can't seem to hold the camera still enough, and probably it would be pretty expensive to buy equipment to stabilize it so that you can walk around with it. So 99% of the time I have to have my camera on a tripod and stable so that it's not shaking around. I think nothing worse than watching a video that, I mean, you do your best to try and make them so that they are easy to watch, and when they're shaky, to me, they're not easy to watch. So, and this is actually, Manfrotto is actually one of the better quality tripods out there. It is a professional quality one. This one is a little bit heavier than the one I'm currently using, and the one I'm currently using was on loan from my daughter, so it wasn't mine anyway. When I first started making videos, I used my cell phone, and that was before Christmas, not last year, but the year before. And my husband bought me a camera as a Christmas gift for making videos, and my daughter loaned me some of her equipment. So little by little, I've been accumulating my own equipment, and this tripod was just an awesome purchase for me. I have seen many tripods at the thrift store. I always have my eye out looking for them, and most of them are total garbage. They're either broken, cheaply made, or have pieces missing, or they're just not very high quality at all. Whereas this item was absolutely very good quality. It is almost professional quality, or at least just below that rung. Anyway, that is my thrift store buys for the week, and I think that it was an awesome purchase this week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.